Hi, this is Neil. I'm back with another Corvette Z06 video. Today, I'm going to show you how to wrap your front splitter with carbon fiber vinyl so that your splitter looks like it is actually made from carbon fiber. This video is not sponsored by anyone nor any company. I hope you enjoy this video. I know that some people don't like how the front splitter's color is the same as the car. So instead of buying the real carbon fiber, which is very expensive and currently out of stock, you can do it yourself and it'll cost you almost nothing. Here are the parts that you will need. The original splitter from your Corvette, car wrap vinyl, a socket wrench, a T15 torque socket, and a vinyl wrap toolkit. First, you need to remove all the screws underneath the splitter. There are a total of 16 screws from here all the way to the other side. So, you're going to need your T15 torque socket, shown here, and you're also going to need your wrench. So, put it together. Now let's go underneath the splitter. So first, you want to fit it in, then turn it counterclockwise until it falls out. Let's do one more. Put it in, turn it counterclockwise until it falls out. Great, we just did 2 of all the 16. Now do the same to all the 14 other screws. After we removed all 16 screws, it looks like we can't seem to remove the splitter. So, looks like we need to remove this, this, and this one in the back. All 4 covers in order to remove the splitter. After removing all the pieces, we finally took off the splitter. There were a total of 9 screws here, 7 on each of these, 8 screws here, 16 on the bottom of the splitter, 6 clips on top of the splitter, and also 18 screws, also found on top of the splitter. There was a total of 71 screws, which was a lot more than what we expected. So now, let's start wrapping the splitter. Here is what the finished product looks like. By the way, this is our first time ever wrapping the splitter. So now, let's see what it looks like on the car. Wow, now the splitter looks really different from the one before. Instead of the color matching version, now the splitter looks like it's actually made from carbon fiber. Now, let's go around and take a more detailed look. This project wasn't very difficult, although we never had any experience. But it did take us a couple hours to finish. But if we can do it, then you can do it. That's all I'll show you today. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button below, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Also, if you have any comments, questions, or maybe any compliments, make sure to send them in the comments below. Don't be shy, and bye. See you in the next video.